Discover the new Simatic S7 1200 innovations. This podcast shows you how to use favorites to create your program. Step 7 Basic provides favorites to give you quick access to the instructions that you frequently use. You simply click the icon for the instruction to insert it into your network. Starting from the main OB, use the buttons on the program editor Favorites to enter your instructions. To add a contact to the network, click the Normally Open Contact button on the Favorites. To insert a coil, click the Output Coil button. You can easily customize the favorites by adding a new instruction. Simply drag and drop an instruction to the favorites. For instance, go to the instructions task card, select Timers, and then the TON on-delay timer. Drag the TON instruction to the favorites. Also in the instructions task card, select Counters, and then the CTU, Count Up Counter. Drag the CTU instruction to the favorites. To use the TON, go to the Program Editor Favorites, drag the TON after the contact in the rung, and click OK to enter the instruction. Now we will close the Program Editor Favorites and make use of the Instructions task card Favorites. To use the CTU, go to the Instructions task card Favorites. Drag the CTU after the TON in the rung. And click OK to enter the instruction. Your favorite instructions in the Program Editor Favorites and the Instructions task card Favorites are now just a click away. Additional information is provided on our website.